Okay, so if you happen to have like when you shut off the car, let's say you shut off the engine, and right after that you hear like for a couple of times, 4 or 6 times, like a whirling noise, like whip, then a pause for a couple of seconds, then again whip, and this will go for 3, 4, 5 times. That's it. So I'm just stepping up. And the thing, actually this is the pump for the brake buster. That's the brake buster there. So actually what happens is that the pump is just down there. It's just running like this after shutting the car. I was going to do it for about 10 times maybe. That's not good. That's not normal either, because the pump shouldn't be working after you shut off the engine. This is the switch. As you look to the engine, this is the switch to the pump. The pump is just under there somewhere. So you may just want to check this connector. Mine was not secured properly, so it looks like it's secured, but actually it's not. That's the pump. So the connector has to be pushed all the way in. So into this, basically, if you see this, the part is still original. Usually it gets discolored like this. Just compare the two. So this is a original one. This is a newer one. Normally you just see a color fading on the old one, and you have the date stamped on it. You see, that's the date stamped on it, 2004 something, whatever, November 2004. But anyway, so if yours is original, throw it right away, get a new one. I'll post a link. It's about $60 something. A point about how to install it actually, so don't make a mistake. The way it goes there, this is not alright, because it's already opened and it's not like a original one. So you see on the one side, you see it's marked motor, just like that. This side goes, I'll just bring the camera. So basically the side with motor stamped on it, you'll have the connector towards the front of the car, goes like this. So don't confuse, the motor thing, it's stamped here, the engine it's on the other side, right? So don't switch it like this. Put the motor side towards the side of the car, and then you have the pipings, the tubes. This one goes to the brake booster, I think, and it's the one on the motor stamped, where the motor stamp is, this one. And then towards the engine is this tubing, which goes right there, and then the third one goes right to the electric motor pump. So just like that. So again, if you see it's your original one, stamped maybe 8-10 years ago, throw it, get a new one. It's always the same fault. It will cause the pump to run like unnecessary. And don't delay, because the pump is not well, actually, if you delay, when this goes bad, the pump will run even when you run the car, when you drive the car, so the pump will burn and you have to change the pump. So as soon as you see the pump running after you shut off the engine, replace the switch right away, don't delay.